I just going to ask you a quick question because I want to see a show of hands. How many people here were born before 1976? Oh, we got a lot of old people on this plane. I'm disappointed. Give me a minute here because I just want to say 1976. I took my first training flight in the Air Force, at the Air Force Academy in Colorado. So 43 years later, and 8 different airplanes, and about 10 to 12,000 flights and 25,000 hours of flying. Glad to have you here on my last flight. So, sorry if I'm a little emotional. It's kind of hard to hang up 45 years of your life. Anyway, in case you're wondering if we're going to have a good flight, we are, because I have my wife here, and I have my 3 kids and my daughter-in-law, so this is probably going to be the safest flight you've ever been on. And that's because my wife says it has to be. So enjoy your flight. My last parting shot before I go out the door when we land in Detroit is I'm going to go ahead and authorize for everyone to have complimentary drinks on the flight. If you want something, you can just order it, and we'll put it on Delta's tab. But, thanks for flying with us, and we'll give you an update in the air.